Hello, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of this Briggs & Stratton 8 horsepower Industrial Plus engine. This engine is on a Troy-Bilt horse rototiller. The tiller has super low hours to start with, and then I'm pretty sure this is a replacement engine. 99% sure it's replacement, and so it has just probably a couple hours on it. It's in really like new condition. It runs perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and do a demonstration here. We'll pull start it and then I'll electric start it and show you how it runs. Ignition on, a little choke, throttle up. Now I'll do an electric start. So as you can see, it runs really couldn't run any better than it runs. I mean, it runs perfect. You just quick throttle up, no hesitation. It just jumps up to RPM after, you warm him up before I do that, but he runs really just perfect. Down in the listing below, in the eBay listing, look at all the photographs, and at the very bottom is my phone number. And never hesitate to pick up the phone and give me a call. I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. So I guarantee you're going to be happy with this engine. Thanks.